Hi guys, let's connect your AirPods to Windows, laptop or PC. First off, you need to open settings on your laptop. So click on the gear icon or click on start menu and go to settings from there. Now go to Bluetooth and devices section and click on add device. Next click on Bluetooth. Then open the AirPods case and put the device into a pairing mode. To do this, press and hold this small button on the back. Now the LED is blinking white, it means AirPods are in pairing mode. And they should appear here. This is your headphones, AirPods Pro. Click on that, connecting. And that's pretty it. Connected mic and audio. Now your AirPods are ready to use. And if you have some connection issues, if your AirPods are connected but they don't play, you need just to click on these three dots and remove device. Let's refresh the page, go somewhere else and go back to Bluetooth device and add device from scratch. So that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.